Hi, I am back with another video. This is Jimmy, and today I am going to tell you about what my plans are for my YouTube channel. And before I do that, I would like to add some stuff that I forgot to mention in my previous video, and I am sorry that I didn't mention this in my last video, but some of my other favorite foods are calzones, baked ziti, sausage links, manicotti, holiday ham, the kind of ham you have on Christmas and Easter, cake, hash browns, tater tots, dinner slash Pillsbury rolls, sausage rolls, biscuits, breakfast sandwiches, brownies, and donuts. And some other places I like to go to are restaurants and relatives' houses. Now, my plans for the channel are I am going to be doing sit-down videos like I'm doing right now. I'm also going to be doing reviews, rants, live streams, and maybe eventually I'll be doing vlogs. That is going to be it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. Hope all of you have a great day.